Hello everyone, my name is Salim Omar and I'm the Regional Sales Director for Cloud and AI Business Group in the Middle East. I'm here today to tell you more about our multi-cloud strategy and digital transformation capabilities. So digital transformation is on top agenda of all CIOs and is becoming inevitable. Why is that? Because without digital transformation, organization has discovered that they're going to lose their competitive edge. So we as Huawei, we consider ourselves as the partner of choice since we have the perfect recipe in terms of our solution portfolio and partnering with organizations to offer and embarking with them in a digital transformation strategy. It's about cloud, AI, artificial intelligence, and 5G, and we have all these components to offer right digital transformation strategy to our customers and organizations. So how do we divide digital transformation? We divide it into four main key cornerstones. Cornerstone number one is modernize infrastructure from core to on-prem, and edge, and this is where we talk about our full end-to-end, very comprehensive intelligent computing portfolio, starting from different storage architecture, whether it was the server stand architecture, where we have our flagship product, Dorado, covering mission-critical application, moving to software-defined architecture to cover unstructured data or what we call mass storage, and reaching to our hyper-converged portfolio to cover specifically targeted applications. Now, also from compute perspective, we have an end-to-end portfolio from x86 with a beautiful partnership and the perfect roadmap with Intel for the coming 4 years, as well as we offer our high-performance computer solution with ARM and our artificial intelligence solution with Ascend and our Atlas portfolio. Now, that's from infrastructure perspective. As a key cornerstone number two in the digital transformation strategy, we have the multi-cloud strategy, which basically the real or the main subject that I'm going to talk about today during this video. I'm going to spend a lot of time talking about what do we offer in terms of multi-cloud and how our multi-cloud strategy is covering from cloud, off-prem, on-prem to edge. Third key cornerstone is building the digital transformation horizontal platform, and this is basically where we differentiate ourselves as Huawei. And I talk about the capabilities of the digital transformation platform as well. Last but not least, the fourth key cornerstone is about building industry-specific use cases. And this is basically where Huawei went the extra mile in terms of offering industry-specific use cases in different sectors, whether it was in healthcare, transportation, education, banking, smart cities, safe cities, etc. So starting with the multi-cloud strategy, we have an end-to-end multi-cloud strategy that is defined into three main categories. The first main category is public cloud offering. And when we talk about public cloud offering, it's an open stack solution in the heart with 200,000 enhancements to make it enterprise ready. And we have around 200 plus services that we offer on top of our public cloud. It's a very and extremely rich catalog of services where we can offer infrastructure as a service, starting from storage to compute, to network, to database, reaching to security. And we have a beautiful as well and very well-defined container as a service capability, offering very advanced services from container perspective. Moving to platform as a service, where we offer an end-to-end lifecycle management for the application from platform perspective. And we have an example of that is a service called Service Stage, where we offer the development platform, the libraries, tolling the libraries, and running the application for testing and development later on. Last but not least, the X as a service, or what we call anything as a service solutions, where we offer a platform for IoT, AI, advanced services, and other things as well from security perspective that is fully covered. That's from public cloud services perspective. Now we move to private cloud services. Again, a very rich catalog of services. We can offer 70 plus services on our private cloud. And the beauty of the private cloud solutions is that it can integrate with multi-hypervisor. So whether we are talking about VMware, Hyper-V, KVM, or bare metal, we can integrate, automate, and orchestrate. And this is a very important point because when you guys want to invest in a cloud platform, you want to make sure that you have the flexibility and agility to automate and orchestrate all your workload. The third part of our multi-cloud strategy is our edge orchestration and automation. And this is basically where we automate and orchestrate at the edge based on latency requirements. And here we talk about use cases like CDN, like caching, like gaming, offloading the backend network, and make sure we enhance quality of service. Of course, a lot of examples when it comes to edge solutions like smart branches, like monitoring road with cameras and AI when it comes to transportation sector. Now, we don't stop here. but as well as we offer a lot of security features on top of that. So we keep on auditing ourselves, and we abide by the international regulations and laws. ISO is one of them, and we make sure when we launch a local cloud node to abide by the local regulations and laws for the security in the country. Now, from achievement perspective, we are proud to say that we have 23 regions, we have 45 availability zones, and we have 2,500 CDN nodes. We are proud to say again that we've already launched our local public cloud node inside the UAE. So currently, if you access our portal, you will be able to see or to put your workloads inside UAE to have local data inside the country. And again, we abide by the security and regulations of the country itself, of UAE. And we're present in different countries as well, like Singapore, Brazil, Chile, in Europe, and other areas as well. Our cloud is extremely mature. In terms of maturity, we have 200 plus financial customers. We have around 550 e-government customers, and we have around 3,500 applications on our marketplace. We are growing fastly. We grew in the number of users 7 times in the last year, which is again a great indication of what we are achieving and what we are doing and how things are moving when it comes to our cloud solutions. Now, one of the major advantages that we can offer is our operation and management platform. So you're going to have a single management platform, a single CMP across your public cloud, your private cloud, and edge cloud to automate and orchestrate and have a unified experience across all of those. Not only that, but we understand the fact that day 2 operation is the huge hassle when it comes to our customers. So how are they going to operate the cloud? How are they going to upgrade the cloud? Because cloud at the end is a software. And when it comes to software, there is 1 or 2 major releases every year. So the customer have here 2 choices. They either go and upgrade the cloud themselves by hiring an additional operation team, or they ask for services from a vendor, which is again, it defies the purpose of the public cloud and private cloud, which is basically investing more money and not becoming very agile. So what we are doing, what we are offering our customer is the choice of having this local operation and management node inside the data center, but we offer it as well in a remote flavor or online flavor, where we access to do a full remote and operation and management for our customers. Think about it as a managed services with a subscription model, doing it remotely. And we understand that this might be a bit complicated for our customers because of the regulations that they have. So we're offering a third flavor, which is an upgrade-only operation and management offer, where we connect through VPN, do the upgrade when needed, and then we log out. So this is the flexibility, and this is the type of agility that we provide as Huawei to minimize our operational costs and realize the benefit of the cloud itself. Now, this is when it comes to our cloud platform. When it comes to our services, again, extremely rich catalog of services from infrastructure as a service perspective, as mentioned before, covering storage, compute, network, database, and security. Container as a service, a very strong container as a service solutions that will cover all your requirements. Again, from anything as a service as well, we cover IoT platform, artificial intelligence platform, and many other solutions, very rich catalog of services that we can offer in the market. Now, to the third key cornerstone that we offer, which is our horizontal digital platform, and this is basically where we believe that we have a key differentiator in the market. We offer a horizontal digital platform with 3 main key pillars. Key pillar number 1 is the end-to-end application lifecycle management, which basically a platform we call Roma that will allow you to manage your application and develop your application and integrate your application through microservices, whether on public cloud, private cloud, on-prem, off-prem, or at the edge. Our second key pillar is basically our enterprise intelligence platform or artificial intelligence platform, starting from chipset to chipset enablement to storing libraries, to development of AI use cases, end-to-end AI solution. And we don't stop here. We cover the hardware platform, the software platform, and we also offer talent cultivation programs on top of our AI solutions. We do partnership with the education sector, and we do partnership with enterprises to develop certain AI use cases and train our customers and the organization enterprises to develop AI use cases. The third key pillar in this digital platform is what we call Fusion Insight or data analytics as a service. And here we have the capability to do end-to-end data analytics from collecting the data, whether it was from log files. We have 50 plus APIs integration when it comes to connecting to big data, as well as GhostDB for data warehousing, end-to-end solution when it comes to analytics, and we can integrate it as well with our AI portfolio to produce analytics/AI solution to the market. Now, all of that is beautiful, but without industry-specific use cases, this is only infrastructure and platform that sits there. So what we did is we went the extra mile as Huawei and we offer industry-specific use cases. Few examples about that. For example, in the transportation sector, we offer what we call a single command and control center across the country where we can monitor roads through our edge infrastructure solution like the 5G or software-defined cameras, where we can offer specific use cases to monitor the traffic, predict traffic, and take decisions based on the traffic KPIs, and basically make sure to minimize the traffic inside the country. And this is also referenced in multiple places in the world. We also have different use cases when it comes to healthcare, for example, telemedicine, for example, disinfection and distribution robots, etc. Other use cases when it comes to banking, digital banking, next generation payment systems, smart branches, smart campuses. So again, we have industry-specific use cases where we can partner with you on end-to-end story when it comes to digital transformation. We are more than proud of our portfolio, and we are more than happy to come and talk to you all about our digital transformation journey and how we can partner moving forward in terms of moving sectors and the economy toward digital transformation. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Basel Khatib, Regional Sales Director in Huawei Cloud and AI Business Group. AI era is coming. It's making everything intelligent, reshaping all industry and bring a value to every person, home and organization. Better intelligent world, we are making this happen with our partner together. Digital transformation is entering the next stage as intelligence, which is a key strategy for the future development of a global cities, industries and enterprises. We cannot unleash the value of technology unless we define the positioning. This is essential for us to truly understand, adopt AI technology. At Huawei, we recognize AI as a combination technologies that together from a new general purpose technology. By emphasizing AI rules as a general purpose technology, AI will help us to find more efficient solution to problem we already know how to fix. It will also help us address a problem that to date have remained unsolved. Inside Huawei, our experience shows that AI can replace a human in certain tasks and also automate cost reduction throughout production cycles. This is the most valuable features in AI. AI will change all industry. We need to ask how will AI reshape or even disrupt the industry I'm working in. Going forward, we need to think of new ways to prepare our businesses and industries for changes. With Huawei, AI capabilities such as optical character recognition and now available in Arabic, image recognition, image search, content moderation, video content recognition, natural language processing, automatic speech recognition, and more. All those capabilities coupled with customer high expectation like high accuracy, superior performance, REST API for high compatibility, ease of use, accuracy, simplicity, high efficiency, high detection, and solid security. With all capabilities and features that I mentioned, Huawei committed to build a fully connected, intelligent world. Now, what is Huawei's strategy for AI? Huawei provides 3 technology enablement services on the top of our cloud: application enablement, data enablement, and AI enablement. And for industry scenario, specific contact point, Roma for application, Divi Cloud for AI, IoT, and Huawei Cloud conferencing, help governments and enterprises connect application, developers, everything, and organizations. To dive more in AI enablement platform and Divi Cloud for AI, Huawei released the industry full lifecycle knowledge computing solution to enable enterprises to build a knowledge computing platform. A series of AI technology are used to extract, express, and perform collaborative computing and generate more accurate models and methods for machines and people. This enables efficient integration of AI and industry knowledge and accelerate intelligent upgrade. Huawei Cloud Knowledge Computing solution is developed based on one-stop AI development platform called Model Arts. Model Arts consists of 4 modules: knowledge acquisition, knowledge modeling, knowledge management, and knowledge application, covering the full life cycle of knowledge and the production process of enterprises. In Huawei, to deliver the customer expectation, we need the right technology, the right talent, and the right industry ecosystem. Our AI strategy includes the following 5 priorities. First priority, invest in AI research, develop basic capabilities in a data and power efficiency. For example, using less power, computing resources, and power-built secure and trusted platform, and develop automated and autonomous machine learning for computer vision, natural language processing, decision, and so on. Second priority, build a full-stack AI portfolio. In terms of deliver plenty and affordable computing power, provide an efficiency and easy-to-use AI platform with the full pipeline services. Make the portfolio adaptive to all scenarios, both standalone and cooperative scenarios between cloud, edge, and services. The third priority, develop an open ecosystem and talent, collaborative widely with the global academia, industries, and partners to deliver AI talent cultivation. The fourth priority, ultimate power on our existing portfolio. Bring an AI mindset and technology into existing products and solutions to create a greater value and to enhance a competitive strength. Last, the fifth priority, drive operational efficiency at Huawei. Apply AI to massive volumes of routine business activities for better efficiency and quality. AI industry application scenarios. There are clear signs that AI will change or disrupt a whole host of industry. And I will brief you with some industry AI application scenarios. First, let's discuss about traffic intelligent twins, what we call it traffic go, such as a traffic lights optimization, traffic prediction, road network analysis, accident monitoring and control. With intelligent transportation and intelligent traffic, twins will make traffic way more efficient. Vehicle intelligent twins, and what we call it iVehicle, based on big data and AI technologies. iVehicle provides functions such as a vehicle status and location monitoring, real-time route planning, and robot assistance. In healthcare, additional to smart hospitals and smart ambulance, early prevention and precision treatment have the potential to increase the human life. Also, precision during the drug trial will cut the cost and time of discovering a new medicine. What about intelligent finance, enabling the digital transformation of the finance industry, such as intelligent bank branches, unleashing the value of data to achieve intelligent finance, delivering fresh insights, enhancing customer relationship. Smart energy, including oil and gas, manufacturing, and utilities, uses big data and AI technology to provide a full series and services covering design, production, logistics, sales, and services, like predictive maintenance and energy conservation. Digital transformation in utilities, called smart grid, where bits drive watts. Digital oil field, where data to barrel is the key. Intelligent manufacturing around the new evolution of Industry Version 4, where digital convergence of mind and machines. Campus intelligent twins help manage and monitor campuses for industries, residential, commercial, and commercial use. Adoption such AI technologies like video analysis and data mining and data mining for smart campuses, face recognition, access control, as an example, smart parking, and missing objects tracking, is designed to make life and work more convenient throughout the entire campus ecosystem. Building a smart city senses, processes, and delivers informed decision and improve the environment for citizens. Some scenarios around smart cities: simple high efficiency central management platform, flexible and intelligent light control, solar powered, high definition video brain, and real-time traffic statistics. And the list goes on and on. In just the past year, since we launched Huawei Cloud AI and EI, Huawei provides 60 AI services and 160 functions, which have been implemented in 600 plus projects across 15 industries. Well, that is all I have today. Let me now summarize what I talked about. All scenarios mean that Huawei is able to deliver pervasive intelligent for a fully connected intelligent world. Full stack means that Huawei is able to provide AI application developers which unparalleled computing power and strong application development platform. We are working towards making AI more inclusive, making it affordable and effective for all. And we have what it takes to make that happen. Huawei is committed to working closely with our customers, partners, and academia to grow together, promote pervasive AI, and ultimately build a fully connected, intelligent world.
Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna about a quick introduction about the latest flagship the smart screen video conferencing from Huawei, which is the Idea Hub. Huawei Idea Hub recently launched to the market. It's combining most of the functions and features available in the market for all enterprise businesses and also for individuals. As you can see here, it's a stylish design. Huawei, they selected the jade white color. Basically, this screen combines 4 major functions, starting from a smart screen and also for video conferencing, as well as projection. In addition to that, Huawei also support operating system, which is Android 9, as well as we can add an operating system, Windows operating system to that screen, which give the user all the options and possibilities to download multiple applications. All the functions can be used through this smart screen. Let's have a look to the side of the screen here. You can see also we are supporting multiple interfaces from our module OPS as well as this Idea Hub. So we have options also to connect audiovisual systems such as extra mics, extra cameras, extra projection screen, as well as we can able to connect multiple systems also connected to the OPS module, in addition to the external storage as well. First, I would like to show you first option or function, which is the whiteboard. As you can see here, Huawei also provides a stylus, which is a magnetic, which give it comfortable for people to use, as well as it's easy to stick it here on the screen, so people, they will not lose the pen. I can write. For the first time, Huawei supports in the market ultra low latency, which is reach up to 35 milliseconds. This is really a significant improvement for the people experience when they are using the smart board as they are using a paper, as they are drawing and writing on a paper. You can see here on the button, I have a lot of options available to use on the smart board. First, I can select different background colors. I have also multiple colors. I can select different coloring. And also I have a calligraphic pen. I can write and draw in different moods, in different way. And I can erase it simple as like this one, or make it bigger. And also if I want to erase a little bit the smaller side from the script or screen, I can use also the pen, like you see here. So it gives a lot of options to people for more convenient to use. I can also select the text from here, and I can enlarge it, I can zoom it, and also I can delete it. In addition, I can long press here to any part of this the text, and I can enlarge it like this. I can move it same way. In addition, I also can write using a smart pen. So I will write, for example, hello, hi, fine. No matter what is the how I script, how is my font writing, so the system converted to a perfect writing. So no worries about it. So this is give a lot of benefits, especially when the business people want to save a lot of multiple pages, probably reaching 100 pages, and email it. Then they can easily find the words that they wanted or that keep saved on the data. So in addition to that, while we supporting the perfect shape. For example, you can draw square lines, and as well, let me delete this. We can also draw like a flow chart. We can draw like a flow chart. Like this. So as you can see, Huawei, we have supported multiple options and features on the smart board. And now I want to show you how we are making the call. Basically, Huawei supporting multiple options to make a video conferencing. So first option that I'm going to show you here is the Huawei native video conferencing, which give people an experience to reach a video resolution up to a 4K resolution. So I'm gonna connect to our colleagues who sits far away in Shenzhen. So I have the meeting ID, I can type it here. Also, I have the contacts and recent history. I can dial from different options. I'll enter the password. All right, here we are. Hello, Enrique. Hi, Enrique. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hi.
How are
I
you?
hear
Good.
Great. Just
All right. As you can see here, we already in a meeting call, and you can see multiple frames, and we can connect with multiple people from different sites as well. So here at the bottom, you can see the meeting control. So I can control the audio, I can share, and I can invite people direct from the screen. And as well, I can also have a different choice of the layout. So let's start collaborate and see how we can share and collaborate. So first, I can share a whiteboard. Hello. Well, I will choose a different color. As you can see here, what is happening, I'm writing, and my colleague on the far away also he is writing at the same time. We can collaborate and we can discuss whatever topics we have. And after that, we can send this as a PDF to every participant available in our conference meeting. So at setting, as also here at the bottom, also I can select a convenient option to change the background. Let's go back. There is another function that very useful Huawei provide is to connect multiple devices. So here I give people option to connect their portable devices like a laptop, iPhone, iPad, or here I'm gonna give people, Huawei offers a lot of options for people to connect wireless devices such as laptops, iPads, and smartphones. So they can enter the projection number here once they download. How to get the download? It's very simple, very easy. As you can see on the right side here, we can scan the barcode on the mobile devices. Then we can have the download software on the phone and tablet. And then we use that software by entering this number, and we start mirroring the device to the screen. Another way, it's very convenient, Huawei offering is providing this Idea Share connector. This Idea Share connector can easily connect to a laptop without worry about connecting to the same wireless network of the customer. This wireless projection gives user high-speed projection reaching full HD at 60 frames per second. So they can experience a perfect resolution and framing to run a video content, for example. Let's back to the main page and see multiple options we have. If we go to the right or left, you can see here, this is already installed through the app stores or through the browsing. As you can see here, it gives the people exactly the same experience as they are using a smart tablet or smartphones. So for example, we have multiple applications that we can use it. For example, we have Zoom, and also we can make a video conferencing using Zoom, Teams, or any application for a third-party meeting, for example, using the Windows operating system. So this is a Windows operating system, for example. If you go to the menu, you can see here in the menu multiple options as this is exactly the Microsoft Windows. We can start Zoom application, for example. And we can join the call from here. As you can see, this is the Zoom meeting. So I'm already entering a meeting. I'm waiting my colleagues at the other side also to join the Zoom meeting. So you can see an excellent resolution and experience. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the show.